What's up guys, it's RandomnessYT here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an infinite redstone repeater with only using 2 blocks. So you can do 2 blocks of your choice. Make sure they do not interact with redstone, like for example like a redstone lamp or a redstone block. Okay, so what I'm using is brick, but you can do anything that fits your house or whatever you're building. Okay, so you use 2 brick blocks, 1 space apart, then you put redstone on top of the first one, redstone on top of the second one, and redstone in between. And then you're going to need to put one up top and one above it too. You're going to need 5 pieces of redstone in total, which we used all of them, and 4 redstone torches, and of course 2 blocks. So now you're going to add a redstone torch on each side. Make sure they are in the same direction as each other. And just like that, you have your infinite redstone repeater. You can add anything, like you can add a dispenser or whatever you want. That includes it for today's video, and I'll see you next week.